Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us. We have a breaking update. We want to fill you in as we go. So Juan has been sat in his hotel room. He has the remote access, and Juan has some updates he's going to talk us through.
Yeah, so the morning started, Chloe, like yesterday. Technical problems to the point that nobody could hear. Now, thankfully, we have seen a change on that, and we were actually able to hear Claire Dobbins, the prosecutor, arguing in the second half of this morning. What the prosecution intended to argue is that this is not a political prosecution, but rather one based in law. Their evidence is that the indictment was started under the Trump administration and the Biden administration continue it. So
right.
It could not possibly be an indictment based in law.
Right.
She then tended to divert the attention away from the 17 charges of espionage, which are clearly a political charge. There's no way to consider them anything else than a political charge. And they base their attention on the one charge, which is a computer abuse and fraud act. This is they aim to try to argue that Julian helped hack government systems. We know that this is incorrect, and they try to reference the second superseding indictment, which contains evidence from a source that an FBI source that we know is a fraudster who has stepped back and said that the indictment actually was not based in what he said. So he said he lied to the FBI, and that's the evidence that we're seeing from Claire Dobbins. Then they argued that the prosecution is only focusing on documents that harmed people. We know that this is incorrect because the charges are for receiving classified documents, having classified documents, and publishing classified documents, and that includes all the documents, not alleged people harmed by these documents. We also know in 2013, CIA outfit who had a WikiLeaks task force investigating WikiLeaks and the documents that were published in 2010 and trying to find people who were harmed. Brigadier General Robert Carr testified under oath in the Chelsea Manning hearing that nobody was harmed as a result of the publications of WikiLeaks. The government, the prosecutors here have not gone into details of any people that might have been harmed, and they argue that this information will only come to light, or they'll talk about it once Julian is extradited, and if he is extradited. This is what I have for you guys this morning, and we'll continue to listen in and bring you updates as soon as we can.
Fantastic. So Juan, you're going to go back to your room now, do more remote listening, and we'll be back when the court breaks for lunch with more statements, more interviews, and we'll try and get as many people out here as we can. Thank you.
Thank you.